Speedrun route. This route is much harder than the previous one, and is mainly used for speedruns. The starting point is from the stairs. After jumping to the gate, turn right. Make sure you enter glide mode. Press fly only twice, and head toward this point. Glide over steadily. Right before hitting, slide left into a spiral. Keep pressing fly. And do not control direction. After passing the height of the gate, start turning right and hold it. And the character will form a U shape with the wind. After confirming you have crossed, spiral left to correct direction and fly toward the gate. The second route. First, note that both sides of the gate have wind walls that push you down, but the top does not, so go over from directly above. Start behind the two pillars. Jump twice to enter glide mode. Press fly. And aim for this gap. After passing the pipe, stop touching the screen. Wait until you are lifted into vertical mode, then press fly and turn the camera backward. As mentioned, there is no wind wall above the gate, so after exiting the cloud, adjust direction and fly over from above. Keep the camera on the pipe, and control direction to pass. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.